welcome back to my studio. I hope you're ready for some more fun. I'm going to play with another one of my new resin molds that I got from Temu. So let's get down to the table and have a little fun. Now for this one we have the main mold and the base. So the main mold's going to make two pieces. It's going to make the big open heart with a hole in the center, and it's going to make a centerpiece, and you'll notice there's a tab here and a tab here, and that's going to allow us to hang this heart inside this, and then this will become the base that this piece here fits into the slot that will be in our base piece. Now for this I've got now some gold and red foils. I've got now some pretty pink and golden red glitters, and I've got some red alcohol ink. We're going to play with that. I've also got some TLP Zeus, which I'm going to mix with a little alcohol and paint the outer edges of my hearts before we get going with the resin. And we're going to see what happens. Now again, because I'm going to be working with resin, I will be wearing a respirator for most of this. So you will see either captions at the bottom or hear a voiceover. All right. I'm going to mix up, well, I think I'll paint these first, and then I will mix up some resin. So to do these, I'm going to take some of my 91% isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to put it in a dinky little cup. I'm going to add a tiny amount of TLP Zeus to my tiny amount of alcohol ink. I'm going to mix it up to make a little gold paste, and then that is going to get used to paint the outer edges. Don't need too much of this, of my molds, if I can not, spill it all over everywhere in the first place. I'm going to mix up the resin. We'll be back. Okay, all my resin is mixed up and we are going to get started. So in cup number 1, I have my rosebud alcohol ink and my gold flakes. In cup number 2, I have my alcohol ink and my 2 glitters, apple and queen of hearts. And in my 3rd cup, I have the alcohol ink and the red foil flakes. And we're going to get started filling these molds. Now I am going to pour in my cups one at a time, starting with the red in the opposite order I just read them off. So red, and then glitter, and then gold.
Every time I see the sun rooster crows for days. And every time I see that gal, she always looks away. Hell, she always looks away. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. Hold on, baby, baby, just hold on. Sunday morning meeting time, I hear them church bells ring. You ought to seen them late last night go out and shake that thing. They went out and shake that thing. Oh, hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. Yeah, baby, hold on, baby, baby, just hold on. Well, in the shade I waste my days, tonight I go to town. Well, I'm upstairs with them good time gals, always going down. Yeah, they're always going down. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home.
Now for the finishing touches, we're going to torch the pieces, and then we will spray them with our 99% alcohol to help get rid of all the bubbles. And then we're going to let this sit for a couple hours and finish up.
Yep, I'm getting right in through the night, twinkling in her eye. Little girl, she ain't got me yet, but Lord, she loves to try. Oh, Lord, she done try. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, baby, back where I belong with you, baby. Hold on, baby, just hold. Won't you hold on? I said, baby, just hold on.
Okay, everyone, these spent 2 hours with the heat on, and then because it was late, I just let it sit overnight. Now, I did make up a little bit more resin because this and the outer ring of this did not seem to have enough resin in them. It weren't all the way up to the top, and that left me a little extra resin, so I threw some extra stuff on here. So we're just gonna, because, you know, never waste your extra resin. So we've got a little bookmark that's got a little tag I'm going to have to cut off there. And another little pennant. This is pretty dull because that resin didn't have much in it. Oh, something was goofy in that. Alright, set that to the side. Alright. There's something in that one. Alright, and another pretty dragon. This one is sort of pinkish. Alright, let's get to the main stuff now. Alright, we'll start with the base. So we'll just sides. Pull that up. Oh, see how I have my little edges all painted with the gold. There's my pretty base. Look how sparkly that is. Oh, I like that. All right. Looking nice. And now the big mold. So we'll start with the outer part, because I think that one will come off first. Actually, I think they'll all come off together, but let's see what we can do here. So there's the outer heart. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and then our little inner heart here. And look at those gold edges. I think I have that. Yeah, everything has that gold edge. It is so pretty. And that's going to hang inside there. And this is going to stand up in there. Alright, I'm going to assemble this and then I'll be back to show you the finished results. Okay everyone, we have the final results. Now I am just temporarily using a piece of red yarn, but I am going to go out and get a chain or some wire or something to make it permanent. I did add some stickers to the finished result and I really like the way it looks. So the center, look at that gorgeous sparkle. The center sticker here on the heart is love. And down on the base, I have joy and peace. And I think it really added a little something to this piece. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please follow along the playlist that's in my description box and the links to all the artists. After me is Joanne Ralston Art, followed by Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty. Then our special guest this week is Angela from Angela Bliss Art. And then at the end of our train is Oak by Bettina. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful weekend, everyone.